Energy healing therapy is a therapy that manipulates and balances the flow of energy throughout the body, mind, and soul. There are five major types of energy healing techniques: Reiki, pranic healing, crystal healing, Qigong, and quantum healing. This type of magnetic healing approach I use in practice, called quantum healing regression, is a technique that I created with gathering different experiences I've learned in practicing regression. Once the patient is in a trance, they are guided to let go of their physical, emotional, or spiritual pain. And after the process of letting go, they are able to achieve healing. If you are interested in learning more on the practice of QHR, I offer workshops on it, and I've also wrote a step-by-step guide on the practice of quantum healing regression. You are able to learn this practice by purchasing this guide, which now is available on Amazon and on my website. I'm going to put the links below if you're interested. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like some fresh info on various educational material about mental health, and also, on upcoming workshops. I'll see you there.